Hey guys, hopefully this is a simple DIY for everybody. I wanted to make a skincare for my nails actually. So some kind of nail care, and I remember my sister-in-law made something a while ago that she raves about, and my sister tried it, and she normally has very brittle nails that kind of like split. And after using it, her nails grew and they were stronger. And so I wanted to try it for myself, and I wanted to show you how easy it is. I'm going to use a roller, but in the original recipe, my sister-in-law used a empty nail polish container, which you can clean and then reuse. I tried to clean one this morning, but I boiled it. And then to clean the inside, I put it under cold water and tried to rub it, but then it broke. So I'm here with a roller and it'll work just fine. So you need castor oil. You're going to need a third of castor oil, and then jojoba oil and argan oil. All these are amazing for hair, nails, and skin. And then a splash of vitamin E as well. And then these two essential oils, lemon and either lemon myrtle or myrtle. These are both amazing for nails as well. So I'm going to start with my essential oils. I'm going to put roughly 15 drops of lemon. Here's 15 drops of lemon. And then I'm going to do maybe 10 drops of lemon myrtle. And just smells, already it just smells so, so good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you do mani-pedis or gels or whatever chemicals you have on your hands, it's good to give your nails a break and not wear nail polish for a while and then apply this on your nails every day just to help them replenish, become stronger. So just a little splash of vitamin E. It's quite thick, but this is amazing for all things skin and nails. And then I'm going to use 1/3 of castor oil, which is it's super thick. And castor oil is also really good for eyelashes, if you're trying to grow your eyelashes or your eyebrows, just to apply on there with a little bit of lavender and cedar wood. I made a little serum a while ago. And now a little bit of argan oil. Argan oil is from Morocco, and I love the way it smells. It's very sweet, but it's also a dry oil, so it's not super sticky or oily even. It's quite drying. And now a little bit of jojoba. That's it, just a little bit more of this. And then put the roller top back on. And this is something that I'll use around my nails and on them every day. So it might be something that's good to put on at night. You just roll it on. Just roll it on your nails. Yep. On your cuticles, like everything will become just stronger. Rub it in. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to post the pictures of my sister's nails before and after, just to give you an idea of what these amazing oils can do. I hope you have a great day.